What up? Cece here, your travel bestie. Royal Caribbean is really out here building floating cities and calling it a cruise ship. Let's talk about Star of the Seas. This beauty is part of the Icon class, the same family as the game-changing Icon of the Seas, which means it's basically a theme park that floats. Star of the Seas is set to sail from Port Canaveral, Florida, so yes, that means easy access for all my Florida cruisers and theme park lovers. This ship is massive. We're talking over 250,000 gross tons of, where are my kids, energy. It holds around 7,000 plus guests, so if you can't find your spouse, just check the 40 restaurants first. And yes, I said 40. 40. From upscale dining to casual spots to I'm on vacation and calories don't count buffets, you are not going hungry. At this point, the gym is just there for decoration and guilt management. Now let's talk about Thrill Island. This ship has one of the largest water parks at sea. We're talking multiple water slides, including ones that make you question your life decisions halfway down. There's a suspended infinity pool called the Hideaway that's basically adults-only vibes with ocean views. That's where you go when you need a break from cannonballs and juice boxes. The Aquadome? Oh, that's the futuristic glass dome on top of the ship. During the day it's chill and scenic. At night it turns into this high-tech performance space with acrobatics and diving shows. Cirque du Soleil energy, but you're still in flip-flops. Star of the Seas also has 7 different neighborhoods, so yes, this ship has neighborhoods like it's a gated community in the ocean. Central Park has real plants and trees. Real ones. Not plastic. You're literally walking through a park, in the middle of the Atlantic. Make it make sense. And of course, private islands stop at Perfect Day at Coco Cay in the Bahamas. That means the tallest water slide in North America, beach club vibes, and enough blue water to make your Instagram cry tears of joy. Bottom line, Star of the Seas isn't just a cruise. It's a floating vacation empire. If you've never cruised before, this is not dipping your toe in the water. This is diving in head first with a GoPro strapped on. If you're getting on Star of the Seas, don't just show up with flip-flops and vibes. Have a plan. This ship is huge. Like, I need Google Maps to find my cabin, huge. First tip. Explore the neighborhoods early. On day 1, walk through Central Park. Yes, that's the one with real trees and grown-up energy. This is your peaceful reset zone. Date night with Cece? That's where you stroll like you own stock in Royal Caribbean. Then hit Thrill Island. This is where your inner 12-year-old takes over. Water slides, splash zones, adrenaline everywhere. Go early in the morning or later in the afternoon so you're not standing in line questioning your life choices while holding a towel. If you're cruising with kids, Surfside is your best friend. That neighborhood was designed for families. It's colorful, fun, and made so parents can relax while still keeping eyes on the little ones. Translation, less stress, more vacation. Now let's talk Aquadome. During the day, it's chill and scenic. At night, it turns into a full production show with diving, lights, acrobatics, the whole thing. Book those shows early in the app. Don't wait until day 3 wondering why everything says sold out. Preparation is holy. Next tip. Make dining reservations ahead of time. This ship has over 40 places to eat. You will be tempted to just see what happens. No. Secure the steakhouse. Lock in the specialty spots. Future you will be grateful while eating dessert number 2. Balance your schedule. Don't try to do everything in one day. One pool day. One thrill day. One chill day. Hit the adults-only hideaway pool when you need grown people peace. That infinity pool energy hits different when you're floating over the ocean pretending you're in a music video. Download the Royal Caribbean app before you board. That app is your cruise Bible. It shows schedules, dining, events, and helps you not miss the party you didn't know you needed. And finally, pace yourself. Whether it's food, activities, or those tropical drinks that taste like juice but hit like decisions you regret, pace yourself. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Do it right and Star of the Seas won't just be a trip. It'll be one of those vacations your family talks about for years. The kind where everybody says, "When we going back?" So, if you enjoyed this video in any way, I dare you to hit that like button. It's totally free. I also dare you to leave a comment, which is also free. See you in the next one. Peace.